welcome back to the channel. Today I have a super quick tutorial for you on typing text onto a path so you can create curved effects like this within your designs. What you're going to want to do first is select the shape tool, ellipse tool, and draw out a circle. Now you want to fill this to begin with, position it where you want, and then turn it into a outline, a stroke. Now let's just center this for the sake of this tutorial. And then what you're going to want to do, you want to go up to text. Once you've hovered over text, the type tool, it will come up with different options. You're going to see type on a path tool. You're going to want to select that. Now you're going to want to just click on the path itself and then type out whatever you want. Let's just say we'll type out Hellfire Club again for the sake of this tutorial. Just center it and let's size it up. Once you're happy with the size of the text, you're going to want to drag this middle bar here all the way around to the top until it's centered. That's of course if you want to position it at the top. You can drag it anywhere around the circle that you've drawn out, the path, and it will stay there. It will position itself there. So now let's just quickly select a font that we want to use, size it up again, and there you have it. You have type on a path curved over, which you could place around a graphic such as this, for example. It doesn't just have to be a shape either. You can draw out your own custom path and do exactly the same thing. As you can see here, I've drawn out a curvy path, and then with the type on path tool, I've typed out Hellfire again, and it follows the path. You might want to make some adjustments because you can see here there's like an increased gap between the R and the E. Certain paths will look better than others, but yeah, you can adjust to suit and play about with your designs. As always, I hope the tutorial helped. If it did, I'd appreciate you liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. I'd be happy to answer if I can. Until next time, stay creative.